Hello, namaste WordPress peoples. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can add block in our existing plugin. So this is my local WordPress site and this is my custom plugin. So I have created this plugin, which is not a block plugin, but this does something on my site. Now I would like to add a new block inside this plugin. So how do we do that? So that we can achieve in the 4 steps. So first we have to go to the folder, then we have to run a command, then we have to register block and then package.json. So let's understand each steps one by one. So this is my local WordPress repo in WP content plugins. First step, go to that plugins folder. So this is my plugin and I will open the terminal. So this is my plugins folder. Second step is to run command, but which command? So for that we have to go to WordPress block handbook. I will go to WordPress block handbook, getting started with create block. So this is the command create block which we use to create block plugin. So if we run this command, it will directly create a plugin, but we don't want to create a new plugin. We just want to add a block inside a plugin. So how do we do that? So for that we have to go to the documentation of this command and let's make the command. So I'm gonna make the command. So this is to create command. Now I'm gonna add my block name. So I would say my block because my plugin name is my custom plugin. So yeah, I would say my custom block. Now after that, what we have to do, that we have to pass this no plugin. So it will just create files for our block. So I'm gonna add that over here, no plugin. I'm not sure if this is the correct way. Yeah, no plugin. And then we have to provide the target directory. Now why we want to do that? Because if we run this command in the root of our plugin folder, which is this, it will create all files over here on the root. But basically we follow this structure for creating block, which is src and then particular blocks inside it. So we want to do the same for our custom plugin. So I'm gonna say target directory equal to src / the plugin folder name, block folder name, my custom block. Now our command is ready. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it over here on the root of my plugin. So keep an eye over here. It will create src my custom block folder. So as you can see, src folder is created and inside that my custom block and all the necessary file related to block is created. Okay, so our second step is done. Now what we have to do is register block. Now registering block is same for everything. So I'm gonna open my existing block plugin and I will simply copy and paste of registering block function to my custom plugins main file. So I will go and I will simply change the name of this plugin, function. So I would say my block init. So let me get rid of these comments and let's try to understand what this function does. Let me get rid of this. Okay, so basically this will check the file or block type from the build folder. Now build folder is not there, we will get over there, but basically this will expect something inside build folder. Now in build folder it will expect this block manifest.php. So we will get into that as well. That is related to our fourth step, which is creating package.json. So basically in that it will collect the data from this block manifest.php. In this file, all the necessary information related to our block, which we add inside this block.json, is there. And how many number of block we make, that will be added inside this file, and based on that it will register our block. So currently our block is registered, but it won't be able to display over there because we haven't run package, we haven't added package.json yet. So what I'm gonna do is that on my plugins root folder, I'm gonna create package.json. Now on the WordPress site, package.json documentation is not up to date, so don't use that. Instead, I'm gonna use the package.json from my existing block. So what I would do, I will copy everything and put it inside this package.json, and I will change the thing according to my plugin. So my plugin name is my plugin, version is 100. So I would say 100, and yeah, do this as per your requirement as description, and yeah, keep it as it is. Other thing, okay, we don't need this, we just need WordPress scripts. Okay, now our fourth step is done. Add package.json is done. After that, what we need to do is that you have to run this command npm install. So it will install all the necessary packages for this plugin. So let's wait for the package install. It will take some time. Okay, our package is done. Now what we have to do is npm start. So once we start the npm, if you notice, the build folder is already generated with our block folder, and this is the block manifest.php, which is read over here in the register block function. So yeah, this will read the file from the build folder, block uh, build folder block manifest.php, and inside, if you look, all the information we added in the block.json is there. So yeah, this is working fine. Keep this as it is, npm start, and now I'm gonna go to post and let's see our block is there or not. So our block name was, sorry about that, I forgot the name, my custom block. So let's try to search and yeah, this is the block ready on our existing plugin. So yeah, this is how we can implement a block inside our existing plugin by following these 4 steps. So if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. And this folder is available on GitHub as well. So I'm gonna provide the link of the GitHub, and you will be able to study the block.json and whatever the steps we follow to create this block. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.
Hey there. So if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development.